Hello, everyone.
Yeah, hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you can hear you.
Good. Please, today's class is SPSS. So, please, can you give me the chance to share my screen?
Yeah. Let me make you the more.
Okay.
Make you the host so that you have it. Okay, you can do it now.
Okay. Good. And today the course is practical SPSS training for thesis and research data analysis. And I will be your facilitator. This is my name. My name is Nuhu Basiru Haruna. And this is my contact information. This is my channel number, my Ghana number, my email address, my. Please, can we put the
Dr.
video?
Basiru,
Yes.
Dr. Basiru, please can you mute all the participants? When it's time for question and answers, you can unmute them.
Okay. Please, can you do that for me?
Unless you give me co-hosts, so I can help you with that.
Okay.
So you can click on my name and make okay.
Okay.
I think NUGS-CHINA has taken the host now. So
All right. All right.
yeah, so let me rather make you a co-host. Basiru, I can't see again. Okay. Okay, I've given you the co-host.
Okay.
Please proceed.
Good. So this is the course description. The course provides hands-on training in the use of IBM SPSS for thesis and academic research data analysis. Participants will learn how to manage data, perform descriptive and inferential statistical analysis, test reliability and validity, generate tables and graphs, and report report findings appropriately in thesis formats. So this is the course outline for this particular program. Introduction to SPSS, frequency distribution tables and statistical measures, graphs in SPSS, normality test, reliability and validity test, correlation and regression, mean comparison, or that is to compare means, exploratory factor analysis, EFA, or just shortly factor analysis, and reporting findings in thesis formats. So learning outcome. At the end of this, you should be able to input data in SPSS, produce descriptive statistics and visual
Hold on,
representation.
Doc. Sorry to interrupt. Kindly record the session.
I'm doing
Are you
that.
recording?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Dr. Rena,
Evaluate.
I think sorry. If he's supposed to record, he has to do it on the record on his laptop because the space that we have for the Zoom is not enough to do it on the cloud. So,
I'm actually
Doctor,
using
then
the
you
OBS Studio.
okay. Okay.
So evaluate normality assumptions. Perform analysis of reliability and validity. Conduct correlation, regression, and mean comparison analysis. Conduct factor analysis. Analyze and present results in formal thesis manner. So at the end, this is what participants should be able to do on their own. Now, let's start with the introduction. With the introduction, which is today's session, we are going to learn how to install SPSS because I notice most of us are still having challenges in the installation process. SPSS interface, I'm going to show you the interface. We need to understand the interface before we could use it. I have to let you understand qualitative and quantitative data differences, and then scale of measures in SPSS, the views in SPSS, importing data into SPSS, and then exporting output from SPSS.
ntabwo muzi cyane.
So please, those that couldn't install the SPSS, we are taking it over again. So I think if you download it as I sent it, most of you will have it in your downloads. But me, when I have it in the downloads, I quickly bring it to Drive D. So I can find my own in Drive D. So this is the setup as I sent to you. So what you do first is you have to extract the files from this, the zip file. So by doing that, you have to right click on it. In my case, it will come as extract files here. But some of you are using some windows, like different windows. When you right click, unless you click on more before you could see what I am seeing here. So extract files, then you click on it. Here you have to tell where you want the extracted information to be. So I would like it to be on desktop. So I click on desktop and then I say okay. So with this one, they are asking of password. You say 1, 2, 3, and then you say okay. Now we have extracted the information. The next thing to do is to go and then install it. I have to go to the desktop. So when you go to the desktop, this is my desktop, the information on my desktop. This is the extracted folder. So you click on it, it will highlight, or double click for it
So
to
please,
open.
some of us can't see the screen. Like, what
You
is showing what he has to do with?
you can see the
I think
screen.
the VP. Yes, I don't know. From my end, I can't see your screen properly. I only
Yeah,
see your
VPNs or something.
Please can okay, you can see it.
yes.
Please can you see it now?
Yes, I think it's okay now.
Can you see it now?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
we can see it now. So with the process of how you extracted the fork, can you please go over if possible?
Okay, this how I did it. Please, are you seeing the screen now?
Yes.
But then I think
Yes.
there are some comments in the chats. If you can also check it out for us.
With the mark, I'm not actually like used to it, so maybe you can find some ways to handle it if possible, or find someone to guide you. I've not used the mark before. So please, can you see my screen?
Please, what
Yeah,
about the setup?
we can.
Yes.
The setup, I've sent it to the group. So now we have it here. Then you right click on it. I have already extracted it. So when you right click, you see extract files. In some cases, some of the windows, you see more, you have to choose more before you see the extract files. But in my case, you see it straight. So you click on the extract files. On the right hand side, you select where you want the folder to be. So in my case, I would like it on the desktop. So I select desktop and then I say okay. Then it will ask of password, enter 123, and then you say okay. Because I have already extracted, it is asking of replacement. So either I accept or I can decide not to because I already have it. So in your case, it will just go straight. So now I choose desktop as where it's supposed to be. Now go to the desktop. This is the IBM SPSS statistics. Double click on it this way. When you double click, you'll find three items. The crack, IF026 update, and then SPSS statistics. So you start with the third one, the SPSS statistics. Right click on it, and then you see run as an administrator. Then you click next. Over here, you have to accept the license information and then next. Here, just proceed next. Now click install.
Please, it
It
appears your screen has frozen. We can't see the movement.
really?
Yeah.
So you are not seeing anything here.
Yeah. When it gets to where you click on the XPSS statistics clients, that is where it stops. So the subsequent movement. We didn't see anything.
Really?
Alright.
Please, I sent a picture to the chat room. Kindly check it for me. Hello? Please, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm checking it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to zoom it. Can you send it to me on WeChat?
WeChat? Okay.
Yes.
I'll send it to the page. Okay.
Please, host, can you do something about the screen issue? Because over here, I think I did not see any.
Yes, I think you may have to check your internet. Probably your bandwidth is low.
It's
I
also
can see your screen at the moment since it's not moving. Which screen are you? Let me send you a screenshot on the page so you check
okay.
the screen which we are seeing at the moment. Kindly check.
The
Please,
modify,
I've sent the picture.
is it
Yeah.
the one about the modify?
Modify, repair, and then remove.
No,
I don't know which of them.
I haven't reached that side.
No, I'm still on the installation process. So the first one I did next, and this is the second one. I haven't installed yet.
On your installation side, like you are trying to install
Yes.
it, right?
Yes. So after I entered the 1, 2, 3, they showed the other one, which you said we should tap on next, and I did so. And this is the next one I've seen. So I don't know whether I should continue tapping on next or.
No, the modification, that means you've already installed it.
No.
Dr. Basiru, please, we can't hear you.
I'm just giving a message in the group concerning the
Okay.
technical issue that they can't see my screen
All right.
at the WeChat side. If you can check
Okay.
it there.
Please, did you see the screenshot I sent to the page of what we are seeing at the moment.
Yeah, I have seen it. But from there, I
So,
just move. I just right click and then I move. So it's just the same
so meaning
process.
we are stuck.
I don't know whether the
Okay, let me
problem
ask,
is.
please, which screen are you seeing? All the participants, can you check the WeChat group and confirm if you are seeing the same screen as I do?
Oh yes, the screen I'm seeing for myself is the part with those three options: cracked, then the update, and then SPSS.
Okay, so, Doc, is it possible to stop sharing and reshare your screen for us?
Then I think I'll do it that way.
All right.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see the screen, but the same screenshot I've sent to your the
Yeah.
group.
But I think
Yes,
now
that's
the
what.
cursor is moving, so I think now it's
Yes,
okay.
it's
Okay.
okay now.
So you right click on it, run as an administrator. Please, I hope you are seeing it. I just want to be sure. Are you seeing it?
I
At the
think the
moment,
problem,
I was seeing the cursor baffling as though it's loading. We can't see
yes,
anything. It's stuck.
Did you see
So let's
welcome
give
to?
ourselves like a minute.
Did you see welcome
We are
to
still
the
no.
Oh no, that's why we've missing that.
You can't see that one.
Yes,
yeah,
I think you may have to reshare again.
Did you see this screen?
Yes.
Oh okay. Now
Excellent.
I think mine too is at the same place.
So I just take here.
Okay, you agree to all the conditions. Hey, mine has got. Do you go to next before you see that?
No, I'm taking it from here again
All right.
so that everyone can follow. Can you see the next screen? Welcome to.
Uh, this is the screen that I'm seeing at the moment. I've sent to the WeChat group.
Fortunately for myself, I'm seeing a license material, something property of IBM, and then you have to go next, cancel or either.
Oh.
Can you see this screen?
Yes, it's
Yes,
showing.
okay, yeah, here, this is where I am. Hey,
This
no,
one.
mine is different.
Can you see the cursor moving?
Yes, of course.
yes,
Okay. Then next.
And the screen has disappeared.
The screen sharing has stopped as the Windows is closed. Let me reshare it. Can you see this one?
Um, no, mine after you press next, what comes is either you agree to the terms or you disagree.
Oh, there's a modify session and the cursor is still moving. I can see. Let me send
Oh,
you a
So
page.
then
with
I
this
think
one, because I have already installed bypass this area. So I will say modify.
All right,
Oh,
I'm installing the way I can do it.
I think there is something wrong somewhere. It's because the sharing is stopping.
Doc, are you using VPN? Maybe you can.
Yeah, I'm using VPN.
Okay, so how about you try to
I should stop the
stop and
VPN, right? Okay.
yes, and then on it again. Maybe you restart it.
Can you see the screen now?
Yes,
Yes.
ready to modify the program.
Okay, so we say install. Oh,
Doc, please, we can't see the screen after installing the Windows has disappeared.
it has
It
disappeared.
keeps
So
disappearing.
I'm re-sharing it.
Okay.
Your own, what's the problem?
I've not faced this before. So it just finished with the installation process. So what, please, can you see this one?
Yes, yes, Doc. I can see install Shield Wizard
Then
completed.
this one here, you uncheck it. And then
But
you
for
say,
myself, I think I didn't get this option, but where I am, the thing is already installing. So I think you have to finish, then I see what I can do.
okay. Then you say finish. This way, oh, I don't know. Please, can you see the finish?
Yes, you can see your screen finished there.
Yes.
So
Okay,
please, Madam Irene, if you can check the
okay.
WeChat this thing for me. I sent a message there.
Yes. Okay, I've seen it. This probably. Do you know something? How about I give you the host, you exit the meeting,
Okay.
rejoin. I'll transfer the host to you,
Okay.
and let's see one thing.
Okay, let's try it that way and then.
Yes.
So I leave the meeting, right?
Yes, and then you check your internet. So, while Dr. Basiru is at it, the participants who still need the installation file, kindly check the WeChat group. I've reshared it. The same file. Also appreciate that you use your real name here so that we can as well know. Okay, so Doctor has rejoined. I've made you a co-host. Okay.
Okay.
And the reason being that Augustine has given us a very beautiful suggestion that you should off your VPN and let's see how far it will take us.
I have off the VPN already.
The first time.
Yeah, just now. I off it again.
Oh, excellent. So now don't use the VPN.
Okay.
Okay. So please proceed.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. The selection, the 3 items
The
to be
3
selected.
items.
The cursor is moving. Mm-hmm.
So for now, I have finished with the installation, or I have to go over again.
Yeah, for
Perhaps
now,
a
I
quick
think
one.
myself, I'm through with it.
You're okay with
Okay.
it?
Yeah, I'm through with that one.
So what you do next is, after you finish running this one, you come to the crack, double
I
click.
need to run it. Or
No, after they finish, you don't have to continue,
yeah,
just
okay, okay,
cancel. Then
okay,
you highlight the server from the crack. It was this way. Then you highlight the iServer from the crack, right click on
okay,
it, and then you copy.
okay.
Then you go to drive C. Usually it's at the drive
Drive C.
C. Then
Okay.
you see program files. Double click on it. When you open it,
Um, could you take, I mean, drive C, program
Yeah,
files,
program files.
and
Then you see IBM. Can you see what I'm
Okay,
seeing?
I've seen that. Yes, I can see IBM.
Okay. You double click on it. You will see
SPSS.
SPSS.
Okay.
Then you double click on it, it will open. Then you will see statistics.
Yes.
Double click on it. You will see 27.
Yes, please.
Then you right click on it and then
Okay.
you paste.
All right.
So when you paste, it will ask some of the windows, it will ask whether to replace them. They will say the items are already existing, should you replace? Or in my case, it will say overwrite. So it depends on the windows you are using. So I will say overwrite.
My
Then
nothing appeared, so.
yours, nothing appeared.
Yeah, I just pasted.
Okay, I think it has gone through. So you come back to the desktop, the folder, and
Okay.
then that is the IBM. Please, can you see my screen?
Yes, Doc. Everything is moving smoothly.
Good. Then
Uh,
IF026 updates.
Oh, you know what? This is like installing SPSS. You know how to install it?
How to install it?
SPSS.
Like a cracked version, are you?
I mean, he's
So
yes.
you now open the IF026 update.
I
You double click on it. You see the GRE.
mean,
Then please, if you are not asking a question, let's mute ourselves. So you see the GRE, right click on it and then copy. Go back to the drive C again. Then program files. Then IBM, SPSS, and then statistics. Then the 27, right click on it again and then you paste. In that case, it is asking whether to replace. The replace is the same as the overwrite. So just in some cases you see do that for all. In my case, I will select always overwrite. So you do that.
For this step, I think I'm lost.
Which one?
I'm still trying to locate where I extracted my files to, but I think you are done with almost the. Oh, I can't find this.
But can you see my screen?
Um. Yes, I can see a screen.
I don't know what happened here. Something has been interrupted. So with this process, when you just overwrite, it will copy everything inside. I think I developed some issue here. So now it is not well installed. These are the challenges some of you are facing. So I think with this one, I have to uninstall this and then reinstall it again. When one problem about it is when you had a problem this, so you have to uninstall and reinstall. So
Hey.
I hope you are seeing my screen.
Yes.
Those of us who encountered this problem. So you go to uninstall. Because the screen has just been changing, I was choosing
Please
things.
take it again. How to uninstall?
Or you go to the control panel. So you just click on this particular part, the Windows,
Okay.
then you tap control panel. You see the control panel here.
Mm-hmm.
Then you see programs, uninstall a program.
Okay.
Then you do that. You look for the program you want to uninstall. I have already selected the SPSS.
I do it. Mm-hmm.
So that is the one I'm uninstalling here. But please, do you all have your SPSS installed?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay, then I wouldn't like to install this one now. When we finish the class, I'll reinstall it. So I'll use the version 20. I have two versions here. I'll use the version 20 to explain to you. Then later, I just install it for myself. Otherwise, it will take time and we don't have enough time. So I'm opening the other version.
Okay,
But
so
please, I hope
Doc,
the version 27 will also run smoothly, or whatever
Oh
you
yeah, I'm
do,
just
right?
explaining the interface. I'm not
Okay.
running analysis for today.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just want them to understand the interface so that our next meeting, as soon as we finish the class, I will reinstall it. But I didn't want it to take much of our time.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
okay, so Doc, we have one class very soon at 8 p.m. Is it possible we take a coffee break for 10 minutes? So when
Okay,
we come back,
I
Prof will,
think that would be great.
excellent. So when we come back, before then, Prof will assign two classes, and those for SPSS will move to SPSS class, and those who are joining the PLS will join that class.
Okay, okay. I
Okay,
think that would be great. So please, let's
excellent.
take a 10 minutes break. Oh, Madam Marin, how many
I think
minutes?
10, so we can come back at I think 7. So we come back at 7:50.
Okay, that would
Yeah,
be
let's come
great.
back at 7:50.
Okay,
Oh no, that would be 6. Okay, 7:50 is okay, so that we can finish on time.
sure.
Mm. Okay, so let me transfer host to Prof.
Please, do you get it?
Yes, please, Doc.
Good. So now, this one, the age here, the responses are going to be in the form of a number. And for that matter, we use scale. So here
Yeah.
in SPSS, it provides three main kinds of measurements. It provides scale, ordinal, and nominal. So the scale here, when the responses are in the form of a number, we use a scale automatically. And when
Okay.
it is not in the form of a number, we use either the ordinal or the nominal. So the ordinal is for categorical data where the categories there is order of priorities in them. So for example, gender, we have male and female. So male, no one can tell whether male are important than females or females are important than males. There is no order of importance in these particular categories. And for that matter, you
Okay.
use nominal. So when there is no order of importance in the categories, you use nominal. And when there is
Okay.
order of importance in the categories, then you use ordinal. That means in order. So for example, qualification, we could have diploma. And then we know that bachelor degree is higher than diploma.
Diploma.
Master's degree is higher than bachelor degree. PhD is also higher than master's. So there is order of importance in that category or order of priority. So for that matter, we use ordinal. Please, are we together?
Yes, please.
Okay. So now we come to the values here. So with the values, when you are dealing with skill, you don't do anything with the values. And when you are
Okay.
dealing with ordinal or nominal, then that is when you have to come to the values here and then code it, because SPSS understand numbers. So what you
Okay.
do is, this one nominal, we have it as male or female. So you come to the values here, and then
Okay.
when you click on it, it will open this way. Then you can assign 1 to be equal to male. So where we have value, that is where you put the numeric value. And then the label, 1 is labeled as male, then you put add. And then 2 is labeled as female. You can also label 1 as female and 2 as male. Then add. Then since you've exhausted the categories, it's only males and females, you've exhausted them, then you say okay.
Okay.
So now we have it coded to gender. Then the educational status too, or qualification. You can start by 1 as diploma. You enter 2 as bachelor's degree. 3 as master's degree. Either you enter or you select add, and then 4
Okay.
as
PhD.
PhD, and then maybe 5 as other qualifications, in case there is option like that. So once you've exhausted the options, then you say okay.
Oh, but with I don't know. When I was trying with the qualification, when I did for the 1 and 2 for bachelor's,
Okay.
I'm not able to do 3 for the masters. I don't know why.
I'm taking it back. Let me remove them. So you enter 1 for diploma, and then enter or add 2 for bachelor, bachelor's degree,
Mm-hmm.
and then 3. You just have to enter the 3 and then give the label master's degree,
Mm-hmm.
and then 4 as PhD, and then 5 as other qualifications.
Okay.
So if you have exhausted these ones, if that is all the categories you need to work with, then you say okay.
Okay.
Please, are we all following?
Yes, doc.
So it depends on the kind of data. If the data demands decimals, for example, when you are dealing with weights, you can leave it in some decimal spaces, but something like age, you can't say I am 30.5 years old. Since we can't do it that way, then we put the decimals to 0. So now, assuming these are the 3 variables we are going to work with, now we have to come to the data view. That is where you are going to store the information in the container. So it means we have created 3 containers and we are going to put information in them. So we come here, data view. So let's see. The first person is 27 years. The second person 30 years. 33 years. 17 years. 20 years. 45 years. 11. So we just entered for 3 respondents. So the gender too, remember we coded it as male and female alone. And the male is 1, female is 2. So if the first person is a male, so you enter 1. And then you say then maybe the second person is a female 2. Female, female, male, 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 female, female, female. Then we go to the qualification. So the qualification, assuming the first person is a bachelor holder, you enter 2, master's 3, PhD 4, diploma 1, and then other qualification 5. Then in that order. Please, are we all following? So now when you enter it this way, for you to be sure, yes, we have this particular tab called a value labels. When you click it, the one with the A and 1 value labels, click on it, you will see what you've coded being reflected. So basically, that is how we input data into SPSS. Please, do you have a question on this one?
Yeah, so first of all, I want to find out something about the age.
Okay.
So that section we didn't actually code anything there, but I wanted to find out, let's say for the first age, instead of typing 27,
Okay.
can you equally write type 27 and worse, and it will be detected?
No, we don't usually, for you to work smoothly with SPSS, it should be numerical.
All right.
Remember this gender here, we can enter the male, but we decided to code it. Instead of entering the MALE, then we rather entered 1. Do you get
All right.
it? That
Yes.
enables smoothness. Samson,
Okay.
SMU, raise your hand. Can you ask your question? Samson, can you unmute yourself to ask your question? Okay, your hand is down.
Okay, so
Oh, no.
okay. So in the case where you have data like checkbox where you need to check, let's say maybe 2, you can check 2 or 3 options like from the questionnaires. How do you store this kind of data?
Can you come again?
Okay, so for example, you've been asked, let's say in the questionnaires, you have something like what kind of fruits maybe do you prefer? And then maybe you have like oranges, mangoes, banana, and you can choose maybe more than um 2, let's say more than 1. How do you code this kind of data?
Oh, I'll come to that later.
Okay, Doc.
Yes.
Please, what if you see some of them too, the age can be a range.
Okay.
Let's say 18 to 20, maybe 21 to 30. How do you also do that?
Okay, that is with the age group, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then with that one, this is what you do. You come to the variable view. Please, Obi, I will get back to you because that one is one of the things I will explain in our next meeting, please. So let me address this one before. So now with the, maybe let's call that one age group with Madam Rebecca's question, age, then please in
Dr. Basio. Dr. Bass.
Yes.
Please, sorry for the that is the I would like to know if the this thing is recorded.
At a point I stopped, but it's recording.
Okay. Thank you very much. You can proceed.
Okay, thank you. So when you want to put it, we already have age here. And if we enter age again, SPSS will not accept. So let's call this one
Okay.
age group. So for that one, when you enter age, use the underscore and add the group.
Oh, okay.
So
After
now,
the age. Oh,
yeah, use underscore. Otherwise, if you use space, SPSS will not accept. So use underscore to space them. So now with this one, then you come to this side. Maybe the first person is less than 20 years. The first group is less than 20 years. So you enter one less than 20 years. And then two is 20 to 29 years. Three is 30 to 39 years. 4 is 40 to 49 years. And then 5 is 50 years or more. Then you enter it. Sorry, I need to add it first. Then you say okay. Then when you go here, you realize that there is order of priority in the ages. Then you put ordinal. So when you come here, then with the age groups, maybe the first is 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. So when you come this way, you see them being in that range. Please, Madam Rebecca, is your question answered? Samson, sorry. Yes, you can ask your question. The one using the Samsung.
Yeah, hello, Doc. Please, as a result of some family issues and pressures, we didn't join the class earlier. So I wanted to
Sorry
know
about
if
that.
the recorded version will be posted on the platform so that we can maybe revisit it and then know where you started from the scratch.
Our executives will share them with you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, please. I have entered my data, but I don't know where to click for it to change to how your own has changed.
You will see
To
when you
fi-
enter, you see
yeah,
something here. We have value labels A and then 1.
I can't see.
You can see it. Can you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
Okay. Let me minimize this thing. Please, can you see the value labels now?
Yeah.
So when you click on it, if you code them and then you click, either you take them back to the numericals or the coded values.
Okay. But which of this one did you select? Is it the file edit view data or which one? Because I can't see it on that session.
You
The value
can
label.
you go to the data view.
Data view, okay.
On the left bottom, you see data view and variable view.
Data view and variable view. Hey, now user data.
Dog, please, the
Um,
age group
I'm
under the
lost.
values.
Yeah,
You
Asama.
know,
I can't.
The age group is what?
Okay, I saw that.
at the variable view side,
Okay.
under the value.
Okay.
Please, can
Now,
you go to the variable view?
okay.
Okay.
Now, well, SPSS finance
Yeah,
setup on our
I've done the
machine.
coding, okay,
Oh,
but
okay. I've now seen it.
So
Thank you.
you were
Okay.
asking
Okay.
Amade.
How's it? Then I will just do the transformation to find then, Excel. No? Then, into by pipes in the made then you forward to me and then main coding.
Are you asking a question or you're speaking some way?
I think he's having a call. But my question was at the age group, okay,
Okay.
under the values.
Yeah.
I did the code like one less than this age, two between this age. Yeah, I did this one, and if I go to the data view, then I click on the value
You
labels.
coded it this way, right?
Yeah, one.
Like I did.
Please, yes, please. One is less than 22, between 2029, 30 to 39,
Okay.
four. Okay, let me see. Like five is 50 years and above.
And then you said what
But
happened?
when I click on the OK, the data view, I click on the value labels. The age group does not display under the data view.
You went to the
Yeah,
data view.
yeah, and I
Did you
click on
enter the
the
data?
yeah. I entered the
Did you enter these values here?
that one should okay. The 122 should be under.
Under the age group. When you come, you have to enter the values. Here you are only coding them. And then you come here and store the actual information you needed.
Okay,
So the first is 1, and then in that order.
okay,
Then when you enter
yeah,
them this way, then you come to the value labels.
okay. All right. Thank you. I think I'm at the same page.
Are you okay now?
Yeah, yeah,
Now
yeah.
you can it, does it change at your end there?
Yes, please. It has display.
Good.
All right. Please, Mr. Bashiru, I wanted to find out something.
Okay.
Could you tap on the labels so that it will appear now? Base my question on that. All right. So under the age group, we have less than 20, 21. For the particular data I have, let's assume I want it to come in codes, like 20 to 29 years should be code, like it should be something that is quoted.
Okay. 20
So
to
when
20.
I'm typing,
Quotation
yeah,
marks.
when I'm typing it under my the variable view,
Mm-hmm.
when I'm typing it,
You want
yes.
it to
So
be
over here,
in quotation marks.
yes, it's in
Marks,
quotation
yes.
mark.
Like
So
this
you
way.
just add. Mhm.
You want it
Yes,
to be like this way. Maybe
yes,
you
good,
you quote it this way.
good. Yes, 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 please.
Yeah, so
Oh
that's
yeah,
my
so you
issue.
just add the quotation and then
So my
it will work.
Okay. Okay, let's try that. So I'll see. All right.
So let me say, okay, let me take them out again. So one is, then you put it in quotation, right? Less than 20 years. In quotation this way, right?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
And then the two is 20 to 29 years. 3 is 30 to 39 years. 4 40 to 49 years. And then 5 50 50 years and more, or and above. So when you go back to the variable view, you see them in quotation, in quotes.
All right. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome. Please, I hope we are okay with here entering the data manually. So
Yeah, we are okay, but please one thing.
sometimes,
If you go to the variable view,
okay.
you did not touch on the rate and then I remember you touched on the decimals, but you didn't touch on the rate and then the type. But that one is no importance at this stage.
Oh yes, this one is directing you straight forward to your thesis. So these things, they are not necessary. So the type here, we always, like I explained to you, SPSS always work smooth with numeric data. So we have to leave these ones as numeric. So when we are going to do other analysis, maybe we can deal with comma, date, and other stuff. That's when we'll come here and make some changes.
Okay.
Do you get it?
Yes, please.
Okay. So at this point, we leave it this way. This one, the missing values here, when we are doing the analysis itself, we'll come to that side. So
Okay.
this one, the label here, if the age here doesn't make meaning, like enough meaning, then you throw more light on it. Maybe if it is age, then you say age of students to bring more meaning to the age. So these labels here is trying to describe what the name is about. Because here you can't write a sentence, but here you can write a sentence to describe here. So let me say gender. Maybe you can also say sex of participants. It's just to throw more light on what you have here.
Okay.
Please, are we okay with that? So
Yes,
if all this one alone makes a meaning, this one doesn't, it's not necessary.
Okay.
So now we go to the data view. So this is a way we can input data straight into the SPSS, like manually. In some other cases, we can import data from other sources. So assuming I want to import data from a different source, then you can go to File, and then you take New, then we have Data, So assuming this one will open in a different window, this the one we're working with. So this one will open in a different form. So I want to bring data from other area. Then you say file, open, then data. Then you go to where the data is and then bring it. By default, file type here, SPSS will leave it in SPSS format. But if it is Excel, you can also leave it in Excel format. So assuming I want to bring an Excel data or CSV, then you just click here at the file type, look for the file type, then I go to where the data is. Let me see if I have something on. Let me open this data. Then you say open.
Hello,
Read.
sir.
I can't see anything moving.
You
It's like
can
the
see what?
screen.
The screen has stopped.
The screen has stopped.
Yes, there's nothing moving. We don't see what you're doing.
Can you see the screen now?
Yes, please. Why it's empty? Is that it?
It's what?
We
Yeah,
see
we
the
can.
SPSS screen and that's
Yeah, I just open the SPSS screen so that I go back to through the process.
okay,
Oh,
please.
So what you do is you want to get the information from Excel.
excellent. Okay.
Then you go to file and then we open. Then please can you see it here?
Yes.
Okay, then data.
Oh.
Then by default, SPSS will give you the information like in SPSS format. You see it here,
Okay.
SPSS.
Dot
So
SAV.
all these ones, yes, dot SAV. So all these ones are some SPSS data I have worked with. So let me open the
Okay.
SPSS first, then later I show you the Excel. Then you select maybe Internet of Things. I just short it as Internet of Things. Then you say open. So the data is being opened. Please, can you see the data?
I think it's still blank.
No.
No, please. There's no data showing.
There is no data showing.
Yes.
The problem has started again. Can you see this one?
Mm,
No.
yes.
Can you see this one?
Yeah, blank page.
Yes.
Okay. Just the normal SPSS open. So what I'm saying is if you want to import the data, you go to the file and then open. Then you say data. Please, can you see up to this point?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, please.
By default, SPSS will give you the file type in SPSS format. So SPSS statistics.sav. So all these particular data that you've seen here are some SPSS data that I have worked with, worked for some people. So I can select this one, Internet of Things, then you say open. Please, can you see them?
Yes.
Can you see it open? Can you
Yes,
see the
please.
data?
No,
It's still a blank
it's still
page.
blank.
Going back. Going back.
It's still blank.
Yes, please.
I'm coming. Let me see. Dr. Aaron, can you make me the co-host so that I resolve this one? Or she's not there. Please let me check up on her here.
Okay, no problem.
Hello. Please, my screen is freezing again. It just started now. Okay. Yes. I should rejoin the class. Okay. And then I exit. Okay. 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 Then I have to do that. Please stay so that I just exit and rejoin. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
okay.
okay,
I
sir.
just want to exit and then rejoin.
All right.
Okay, that's fine.
Hello.
Hello, Dr. Basiru. Could you please join the main room and make Prof assign you a co-host? Because
Okay.
at the moment, because you rejoined, you are no longer a co-host.
Okay. Then let me do
Okay, so
that right now.
yes, the main platform.
Okay.
Mm.
Hello, Prof. Uh, hello, Prof.
Hello. Yes.
Please, I was having a challenge in my class, so I exited and then just rejoined. Can you make me a co-host
Okay.
to my class, the SPSS class?
No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Done.
So I'm going back to that class.
Okay. All right. Hmm.
Please, can you hear me now?
Yes, Doc, I can hear you. And now
Okay,
you are the co-host. Welcome back.
thank you. Then I'm sharing the screen now.
Okay.
Please, can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see your screen now.
Okay, thank you. So I was
You're welcome.
explaining how we can also get, currently I've explained to you how we import data manually directly into the SPSS. And the next thing is to get data elsewhere, maybe from another SPSS file into our working directory. So what we'll do is we go to the file and then we see open. We select open, then we select data. So by default, this particular site is where the data is located. So in that case, ours is from downloads. So by default, SPSS will also give you the file type as in SPSS format. So these particular items are some data I have worked with using SPSS. So I can select any of them. In this case, let me select the cyber security data. So after selecting, the name will appear here. Then you say okay, sorry, open. So the data will display. Can you see the data? Please, can you see the data?
No, no, please, not
No,
yet.
Prof, the screen is still blank.
Dog,
I could
it's
see
not
the
dog.
We
What
see
can you
the
see?
SPSS screen. We see the SPSS face, but then it's blank. It's still blank.
It's still blank.
Yeah.
You are seeing this one. Can you see this one?
There's no action on the screen, please.
Can you see the old data that we worked with? The one we entered manually.
Yes, please. We see that now.
Okay. And then I'm saying that for you to get data from elsewhere, then you go to the file. I just want to open it in a separate window. I don't want it on this same window. So you go to file first and then you select new and then you select data. Please, are we here at the blank space?
You selected new and data?
Yes, new and then data.
Which I still see the one we entered manually.
The one we entered manually.
Yeah. Should we be on a blank space? Like we don't see that. I see the age, gender, qualification, age group.
I don't know why it's behaving that way again. You cannot see my cursor moving too.
No.
Can you see this one?
Yes, we see an empty screen now. I mean, not an empty screen.
The blank.
SPSS empty page.
The
Yes,
blanks.
please.
Okay. So now to
Yes,
get data from elsewhere, either from a different SPSS data or Excel, what you do is we are now learning the importing. So you go to the file and then open. Please, can you see my screen?
Yes, please.
Then you select data. So can you see this side?
Yes.
By default, SPSS will give you the file type in SPSS format. So, and then this particular area, look in, is where the data is being found. So in my case, it's found in downloads. And if the data you are looking for is not in downloads, you can select here and then look for it. Select where the data is. But in my case, it's in downloads. So I leave it as such. Then I select the kind of data I would like to work with. So let me use the cyber. And then after that, you say open. Then it will open. Yes, open in new windows. They said it is already open. Do I want to open it? So I want it in a new window. Can you see that?
Not yet.
Not yet, please.
No. It's still a blank sheet.
Can you share what you are seeing in the page for me to see? Like
It's just a
screenshot.
blank SPSS sheet. You should screenshot it.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
But did you see the process?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
You got the process right?
Yes.
I have to stop and then reshare it again.
Yeah. Doc, please, maybe my suggestion is since it's like this is a new class, probably no one is having data in Excel. That's okay. I think it's a display.
Please, my data is in Excel, sir. That's why I'm here.
Yeah, I will show you how to get it in Excel. Just that the issue is with the when I just import, you don't see the screen.
I was responding to the other gentleman that said we should skip this part. So, thank you for your work.
So, can you see this one now?
Yes.
Okay. It's just
Yes,
the
please.
same way we imported this data is the same way we import Excel data. So what you do is To get the Excel data too, you go to the
Please, I
file.
have a question. Is this data what you just opened? The one, the Internet
Yes,
of Things you were trying to open?
yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So to open the Excel, you go to file. Before I do that, let me explain to you. If you have the data in Excel, you have to clean it first. Otherwise, SPSS will not accept it. For example, if you have spaces in the data, in the variable names, maybe this one, for instance, is from Excel that I brought it to SPSS. But before that, it was a questionnaire data. So you have to shorten the names. Otherwise, when you are bringing it, SPSS will not accept. So here I put fraud experience, fraud, and then you see I've been using the underscore instead of the space. I don't use space straight. So you have to clean it that way. Please, do you get it? So
Yeah.
if you have spaces in
Please,
the,
where do you do the cleaning? Do you do the cleaning in Excel, or when you
yeah,
import
you
it
do
here,
it
then you
in
do the
Excel.
cleaning?
You do it in Excel so that when you are bringing it, it goes straight into SPSS.
Okay.
So you have to make sure the name is aligned with or how SPSS would like it. So you see this one, age group. Instead of, in the data set they have sent to me, they said age of respondents. But I just made it age group in a way that, because I know I'm going to use SPSS to analyze it. So I have to do it in a way that SPSS will accept or will understand it. So you see this one, if it needs underscore, then I use underscore instead of just using the normal
Please, I
spaces.
have a question.
Okay.
I have a question. I wasn't here when you started earlier, so I don't know if I missed it. But so we are using the underscore in place of space for the writing.
Yes.
Okay. And what if we omit the underscore and we do like fraud experience together? Does it affect
That one too is
anything?
accepted.
Okay.
That one too is accepted.
Thank you.
It doesn't
And
need,
also, I in you,
what it doesn't want is space.
please go on. Okay.
And then you don't have to also
And with
start.
your
Okay.
no, please go on. Please go on.
Now you ask the question.
I'm seeing empty the section B. I'm seeing an empty section, a colon, which is
Yeah,
all
this one.
empty. The
This
section,
one,
yeah.
isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, all this
Yes,
information
yes,
are
please.
under it. I just decided to
Oh,
code it that
okay.
way. You see the section C2.
Okay.
So that I just
Okay.
know that
Okay.
all this information belongs to section C. Then this particular
Okay.
side, section D. Then all this information
Mm.
belongs to section D.
Okay,
So
please.
it's
I
intentional.
understand. Thank you.
Okay.
There are some
Okay.
dots in those sections. Does
Yeah,
it
that means I
have
did
a
not input data.
so but couldn't you
Okay.
have left it blank without putting the dots?
No, it by default, since I'm coming, let me show you something. Once some other data has occupied the space, that means that place will just show blank. You see, the data has reached this level. So this one too has to reach that level.
Okay.
Some shouldn't be longer than the other. So once it doesn't have the value, it will indicate the dots.
Okay.
Please, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. So now,
Hello.
if you want to import the Excel data, then you go to File and then Open Data. We have been here before, right? So
Yes.
what you do is come to the file type and then you'll see Excel format. Good, Excel. Please, can you see now it's displaying the Excel formats?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. So now you choose the one you would like to work with. So let me say I have to open Savio data. Then I say open. Then can you see this particular?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
This
please.
so they said read variable names from the first row, and then you said okay. So this one I have already dressed it in Excel, so it looks neat. So when I'm importing it, it comes to the SPSS straight. So that is usually what I do before bringing it into SPSS for analysis. Please, can you see the data displayed?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, please.
So that is usually how I do it before bringing it into SPSS. So when it comes to the
Dr. Bash,
yes,
please, maybe in that next session, can you take a few minutes to show us how you did it in Excel? Like how you
okay,
dress the data in Excel.
I think
Okay,
I'll do
thank
it
you.
that way.
Okay, thank
Because
you.
when the data comes that way, if you did not dress it well in Excel, when you are bringing it in SPSS for analysis, it will be very difficult because SPSS has its own criteria of accepting data.
Okay.
So you have to do it in a way
Mhm.
that when you are bringing it in SPSS, it will be very simple. And remember,
Okay.
most of your Excel files, you use the Google form, right?
Yeah.
So sometimes the data upon people answering it, a lot of the data becomes very dirty. So you have to clean it there before bringing it here. So before getting it
Okay.
here, it becomes very neat. So I think our next meeting, I have to explain that one too to you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please, do you have any question so far from where we have started to this end? Because we are almost, the time is almost up. And with those that couldn't have the SPSS installed, I think we can schedule a time tomorrow. Then I take you through. I'm a Muslim, so I haven't prayed. It's in the night here. So I have to go and pray after this class. So I think if we can arrange like those that couldn't have the SPSS installed, so that you chat me private, we arrange time tomorrow Monday, and then I take you, like we all agree on a particular time, and then we do it together. Like at the
You take us
beginning.
through the installation or the beginning.
No, the installation. Some people still doesn't
Oh,
have their own installed.
Okay.
okay.
Like some people
Okay.
are still having challenges.
Okay.
Okay,
So that
Doc.
our
Thank
next
you.
meeting, please, you have to also know our meetings are always Saturdays and Sundays. And then that will be this same time, 7 p.m. to 9
Mm.
p.m. Beijing time or China time. And then 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. in Ghana time.
Okay.
So please, those of you who have problem in the installation, kindly chat me privately. Then we arrange a time tomorrow, and then I just take you through.
Okay.
All right. Is there any question?
Okay, Doc. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello,
Please,
Doc. So it means our next meeting is on Saturday, right?
yes, please. That will be Saturday.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we have a long week. Okay,
Yes,
so I will contact you personally too. I posted something at the page there. I tried to bring some data, but there's something it is showing a lot there. So I've put it at the page there. You can check for me.
I have seen it.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Good dog.
Okay, so Doc, you are done for today, right?
Yes, please.
Oh,
Is that question?
excellent. We
Hello.
sincerely appreciate your time, and I believe our students have all enjoyed the class today. And just a quick one, please, we would want to give certificates on a merit, and if you've been consistent through the whole session, and will then means you get your certificate. So kindly check the chat box. The one of the academic committee member has shared the QR code for attendance. If it's missing, let me know. I'll reshare for you to scan and take your attendance.
Some
Yeah,
of
please,
us joined very
can you
late,
resend
so
to
we can't
so
get
that we
it.
Yeah,
can do?
please resend it because it's not here.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Because
I will send to you. Kindly
Or the
do
WeChat
that
link.
here in the meeting. We will
Oh,
not
Okay.
okay.
share on the WeChat group because
Okay.
some may not have attended. You understand?
Yeah.
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 Yes, so let me quickly do that now.
Okay.
Where's meeting?
Please, I have a question. A very short question.
You're asking a question to me or Dr. Aaron?
Yeah, like you. So,
Okay, okay,
so please, at the variable view,
okay.
spread the title.
The,
Like, is it supposed to be numeric or is it something that like you have to change? Because the reason why I'm asking this question is that when I was exporting my Excel to SPSS,
yeah,
I can see some of the types being changed to numeric and some are
string.
string and yeah. So I want to
Yes,
ask
you know
and
when you prepare the data very well and you bring it into SPSS, you see it
okay,
being numeric. But when it comes as string, most at times the analysis becomes very difficult. And you know, whenever we are doing these things, we try to make it in a way that it will be very easy for us. Maybe
yeah,
you spending 5 hours analyzing a particular data set, maybe I can use 30 minutes to do it. Do you get it? So you do it in a way that at the analysis process, it will be very easy for you.
okay.
So usually the numeric side, because that is what SPSS understand most. So you
Oh,
put
okay.
it that way and then code it. And that is why when it is in the form of categorical, we still go and then assign numbers such that SPSS easily understand it.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so please, I've shared the QR code. If you haven't scanned to check in for today's class, can you do so before you leave? Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you. And we
But
also appreciate your time, your participation.
okay.
Okay.
It's not loading.
So in that case, that'll be all for today. And so if you don't have any more questions for Dr. Basiru, we'll call it a night so that he can go back to pray and connect
Okay.
with you later.